The average salary of a product owner is 14 lakhs, with the higher side being 28 lakhs. Being a certified Scrum product owner from Scrum Alliance and having experience in this role increases your chances to land a job and getting the salary on the higher end. Our certified Scrum product owner workshops are designed so that you get all the knowledge that is required to become a great product owner. In these 2 days of workshop, you actually live the life of a product owner, hands-on. Our participants have told us that this workshop has really helped them do very well in interviews and in their jobs. So what do you get by registering for our workshops? 1 week of mentoring, 1 hour of Jira training, weekly Q&A sessions. In these sessions, you can actually bring the challenges that you face in your workplace, including your interview questions, and 1 month of free access to our Play Scrum e-learning platform.